This is going to be TEMU haul number 3. These are stickers. They're Christmas. And I thought I'd lay some of them. They're pretty good size, but they're the pink. Love it. Look at this. Look at this one. Here's my Santa. And the snowman. The nutcracker. Cute. So that will be good for Christmas time. Those were $2.23, and you get quite the set of them. Pretty cute. Let's see, I printed up the sample, or you know, what's in here. Sorry, crinkle, crinkle. It gives you an idea, and here's more of them. So yeah, 50-inch, 50 unique size, and these are 2 by 2, basically 2 by 2. Some of them are okay because this one's bigger, taller, right? But anyway, I'm into the unicorns, and I got these little 4x4 stencils. Hopefully that helps you see it. So not really. There we go. Cute. Oh, he's taking a nappy. That's cute. Are they supposed to have wings? I thought that was a Pegasus. Anywho. And here's what they showed. So yeah, you get like 8 of them. They're attached. Very cute. I might take these and let the girls play with them. These would be fun for them, I think. Awesome. Cute, cute, more cute. It's fun to have little kids so you get into different fun things, right? That you wouldn't normally. Cute. I hope these are showing all right. But the link will be below. Very cute. Oh, I love those. Those are adorables. I think one fell down. These little guys have been in my cart forever, and I finally pulled the trigger, as they say, and got them. Oh my gosh, look at these little bears. They're so cute. He looks a little like Winter. So yes. Oh, and I stopped filming yesterday, went to my trailer, come back, and look what I have on. Thank you, Carmen. Tiny Treasure sent me these cute nails. They're adorable. She knows me well. So here's a picture of all of them. That way you could just see. I'm not going to show each and every one of them, but very, very cute. And you get a lot. But yeah, they're white matte, so they have white around them. I know that's something that bothers some people. So I'd rather they be clear, I guess, but I don't know. I don't overthink. I don't overthink things. I just kind of go with what's cute. Anywho, okay. So those are my little bear dudes, and they are super cute, and you get 20 pieces. Sorry that this is 3 parts or more, because this is ridiculous, but, you know, it is what it is. It was like 3 orders, so, you know. Then, you know, the geese thing, the goose is big. My gosh. Cute. I think you get 2 of each, and these are another. Again, who decides, hey, geese are going to be big this year? I don't get it, but I like it. It's fun. Okay. Funny weather today. It's supposed to be sort of nice, but yet I've been putting them in this. It's windy and a little cloudy. But it is what it is. Okay, I'm not complaining because I know the rest of you are going a little nuts. This one, I think 161. The geese were... How much were the geese? $227, not available. Sorry, I think that's the one. Then I got these guys, but I couldn't find a way to print up the picture. So these are the pet tape. Let's see, they got kind of a fairy foresty. There's a panda. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, look at her. Oh my goodness. So cute. And this is what got me. The hedgehog. So they're from all over. Oh, the bear with the honey. The bunny. Oh, these are cute. They got fairies. So these are all listed below if you're wanting them. Oh, look at the frog. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. Mushroom and a fox. Oh, my gosh. Oh, there you go. My squirrel. Okay. Well, some fairy garden kind of. Yeah, fantasy. Oh, look at the baby duck. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Loving these. Oh, and the fairy. I can't. Gonna say I'm not gonna show anymore. Sorry, my big finger is in the way. She's got a balloon. Oh, here's another squirrel. Oh, yeah. Happy with these. There's more, but we're not going to go through. You get the gist. Okay. Let's see here. Another one of these. Super, super cute. I got this. It's a pendant, but it comes with a chain necklace for $1.75. I bet you can guess who this is for. My Miss Vienna. So I think she'll like that. Cute, cute, more cute. Some purple flowers. I thought I'd try these out. They're paper. Very pretty. And they were only $2.62. So I think that's a good deal. Can you see it without... Sorry for the glare, but I don't want to take them out. I love you, but you know. Okay, let's go into nails, because, you know, I'm going to do this Halloween thing. Are they... No, I wouldn't say cute, but creepy cute. Kind of $1.85. That'll be fun. Fall nails. I'm not sure about this. It's like, okay, what would that look like? These were $1.46. And then I got some purple Halloween nails. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. Here it comes. Oh my gosh. There we go. I think these, I like these the best out of the Halloween ones. Purple with the bats. Very cool. How much were the purple with the bats? They were $2.25. And then just some of these, they're called cat's eyes. So these are a kind of a pink mauve-y color for $1.28. Love red. A red cat's eyes, so $1.06. And I really liked when I had the blue ones on. These are kind of a purple. And they are $1. Notice how I... $1.92. Oh, and for Vienna, I'm going to do a... My goal is to do a unicorn birthday party mini album. So I thought this would be cute in there. And that was, what, $1.35. So there you go. All right, getting to the bottom of all this nonsense. So $4.29, I don't know. I haven't tried this yet. You load these up with your diamonds and then place them, you know, use them. They're supposed to pop. Oh, here we go. Pop out. I don't know. I'll have to try it and let you know. Anybody use these, let me know. I got 2 of them for $4.39. I've seen them before, and I finally just said, oh, I'll try them. And for the girls, and I'm going to use some of these for the charms, but... Oh, here we go. Let's use a knife. Or scissors. Jeez. Oh, gosh. These were $2.02, and they're little rubber bands. And I think... Oh, my gosh. But look at all the charms on them, too. They're cute. I could put that on something, I would think. But they're mainly for the girls. So I thought those were cute. Tori and Vienna's mom really does up their hair cute. So it's fun to see and provide some fun stuff. So here's more. These are a little bit bigger. I got two different, I don't know how much these were, 202. So they come with these little tiny bands, and you can just put little... Vienna right now has very, very, like her daddy did, curly hair that's pretty wild, but boy, that Riley, their mama, can do it upright. Look at the kitty. Here's a ghost. She makes it, tames it, and puts it in little ponytails, and it is adorable. So fun to give them stuff to do their hair with. And speaking of that, and again, I might keep a couple of these, but these are bows, grosgrain, already tied with the back on them. $2.38. Okay, sorry for the crinkle. Look at these. And again, I should have ordered two. One for them, one for me. But I might keep a couple out for myself. We'll see. Oh, you know the ones I want. The polka dots. Oh, they are not just polka dots. Okay. Oh my god, these are cute. Cute. Oh, look at the kitty. Vienna will like that. She loves kitties. Here's my creepy Scully guy. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the skeleton thing. This is like a fall one. That's pretty. These are very cute. Very cute. They'll like them. Okay, so got those for the girls. You know, I had two boys, and now I have all granddaughters, and oh my gosh, it's so fun. I get to do what I couldn't do with my boys. They would have, you know, boys are, I love my boys, but they weren't fun to dress up. They just don't do it as good for boys as they do girls, I'm telling you. Anyway, so then I got this as nothing exciting for $1.67 just to go in my drains. I really only need the one, but it goes in there, a little basket. So that'll be in the links below if you're interested. Let's see. I think we're almost done, people. Oh, my purple oven friend. Won't she love these? On Christmas Day when I go there, Christmas Eve, whichever. Yeah, I think it's Christmas Eve. Anyway, we do play games, so I thought this is perfect. Purple dice. I mean, come on. There we go. And this is me not reading measurements. It's a huge stencil for a doll. Yeah, I might donate that to the Goodwill. All right, finally, that is it, you guys. I am done with my TEMU. More is coming, of course, but you know. Anyway, hope you watch all three. Let me know what you liked out of this haul, and I will leave links below. All right, take care. Bye-bye.